Here's a look at the 2026 Grand River 38 BHDS. Spacious, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed, this RV gives you a great mix of family-friendly space and upgraded touches throughout. Inside, the layout opens up with the kitchen on the left and the couch and U-shaped convertible dinette on the right. Taking a closer look at the kitchen, you have a large stainless steel sink, lots of storage, an oven, 4-burner stovetop, microwave, and full-sized fridge and freezer. Moving towards the master bedroom, you first pass through the ensuite bathroom, which adds a nice sense of privacy and convenience to the layout. The bathroom features a glass sliding door, a deep sink, and extra storage, giving the space a clean and practical feel with a more upgraded finish. The master bedroom has plenty of natural light and a clean, cozy feel, making it a comfortable place to settle in after a long day outside. Moving back to the other side of the RV, the fireplace and TV entertainment center create a warm focal point for the main living area. Through the door, you'll find the bunk room, with 2 bunk beds on the left and another convertible dinette on the right. With hanging storage and more windows, it's a flexible space that works well for kids, guests, or extra room to relax. Ready to take a closer look? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and find the RV that fits your next adventure.